Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Noman, your class 9th English teacher this session, and I welcome you all to the HPGS online classes. Today we will be discussing articles. After this video, you would be able to define articles, you would know its types, the uses of each article, and some examples. Along with that, you would be able to get some notebook points which are highly important to understand articles well. To start with, we have the definition of articles. Articles a, an, and the are determiners or noun markers that function to specify if the noun is general or specific in its reference. It basically modifies or explains a noun. Now, here we are with the examples. I go to a public school. Ahmed is training to be an engineer. The movie is based on a real life incident. Types of articles. There are two types of articles, indefinite article and definite article. The indefinite article includes a and an, which are used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. For example, I would like to borrow a book from your library. Over here, a person is asking to borrow a book from the library, but he has not stated what book or which kind of book he is looking for. That is why we have used a over here. The other reason of using a is the noun starting with a consonant sound. The second example is, please hand me an autobiography. The person is asking for an autobiography but has not stated any specific name. So any autobiography would do, but over here we have used an. That is because the noun is starting with a vowel sound. Definite article. The definite article includes the. The is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. For example, I loved the red Ferrari from Amir's showroom. Now over here we are talking about the specific red Ferrari which is available at Amir's showroom. Primarily the uses of article a is with consonant sounds. An is used with vowel sound. The can be used with both vowel and consonant sounds. Furthermore, indefinite article a and an are used with singular noun, countable nouns, and they are used to indicate something non-specific. Coming to indefinite article, the, it can be used with both singular and plural nouns. The is used with both countable and uncountable nouns. It is used to indicate something unique and specific. It is also used with the mountain ranges, ocean, nationalities, family names, earth, moon, sun, and other unique things. Here are some notebook points you need to remember. Point number one is, it's important to determine the vowel sound and consonant sound before adding any indefinite article. Indefinite articles, all of you know, includes a and an. So over here, before inserting any article, we need to look out for the noun. The noun, if it starts with a vowel sound or a consonant sound. Here I am emphasizing on sound, vowel sound and consonant sound. For instance, honest police officer, humble father. Both the nouns are starting with H. Honest and humble. But over here we have inserted an for the honest police officer and a for a humble father. Why is that so? It's because honest is starting with a vowel sound. It's honest. And humble starting with her, which is a consonant sound. So for the vowel sound we are supposed to use an, and for the consonant sound we are supposed to use a. The second point is definite article. The is also used with the superlative degree of adjective. Here, for example, we have Ali is the tallest boy in the class. When we are going to use the superlative degree of adjective, it's mandatory for us to use the before that. The second example over here is Saud has the most important car in the area. Here are some examples. Alina is a university student. Despite of having a vowel here, still we are using a. And that is because the sound of university comes like U. U is a consonant sound. The reason we are using a over here is the use of consonant sound. Second example, football is a popular hobby in England. Bilal is a versatile actor. We are talking about Bilal, who is singular and countable. That's why we have used a over here. Examples for an. Fatima has an umbrella. Over here, we have a vowel sound and we have used an. Umbrella gives us the sound a, which is a vowel sound. Dolphin is an animal in danger. Ahmad has done an extensive research in chemistry. Ahmad is singular and countable. That's the reason we have used an over here. Now come to the examples of the. The most dangerous activity in the world is bungee jumping. Now again we are talking about the superlative degree of adjective as stated earlier. The is used with the superlative degree of adjective. Thank you so much, students. That's the end. I hope you have understood the topic article. If you have got any queries related to the topic, please note that down and ask me in the Zoom session later. Thank you.